Hello everybody, how y'all doing? I hope this message finds everybody doing well. I just came on here real quick, really quick, to do a quick little unboxing video. That's to show you what I got from FullSail University. If you're following my channel, if you're subscribed, then you know that I've been to FullSail now 2 times already. I decided to go back again for the 3rd time to get my graphic design degree, because I'm always asking people about branding and logos and web designs and all this type of stuff. So I'm like, okay, why not just go and learn the tricks of the trade myself? So I'm back at FullSail in the graphic design degree program, and I just got my lunchbox in, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. Okay, and first up, classes for me started on the 30th of September, which was Monday. On that same day, I got an email that Friday from FullSail telling me that I will get my lunchbox on Monday, the start of class. And on Monday, the only thing that I got was 1 package, when I knew I was supposed to be getting 2 packages. So I got 1 package on Monday, and then today, Tuesday, on the 1st of October 2019, I got package number 2. So package number 1, I'm sure, is the iPad. It's a smaller box or whatever, but yeah, this is package number 1. This is what came Monday before class. And then it's a regular Apple iPad. I'm sure y'all are probably familiar with the iPad, but you get an iPad and graphic design. I think you get an iPad now in a lot of different degrees of FullSail now, but yeah, the iPad comes first. And then I was told that it's for a lot of the students that may not have a computer to use to start class with, so they send the iPad first. But in my case, I got the iPad with the computer. But the iPad is what came first. It's a 32 gigabyte iPad, the 6th generation with Wi-Fi. See if y'all can see that. Yeah, this is what came first. And then I got another box today, which I'm sure y'all can pretty much figure out what this is. But yeah, this came today. And I'm gonna open this. I don't know which computer they sent. I know it's a MacBook Pro, but I don't know if it's the 15-inch or the 13-inch. They usually send a 15-inch. Like I said, I've been to FullSail 2 different times. But the first time I went, I was there for a certificate. So actually, I've been 3 times, and this will be my 4th if you count my certificate. But I got a MacBook with my certificate as well. So this will be my 4th Mac from this school. And every time I've got a Mac from this school, it was always a 15-inch. So this looked like a 15-inch because the box is so big. But I guess the box is the same size with the 15 and the 13. We'll see in a few minutes if I can get in it. Should have got a knife. I should have got a knife. Okay, yeah. In this box, oh Lord, it's heavy. Okay, y'all. In this box, you get the MacBook Pro, as I stated earlier, is what was in this box. See there? See if I can. MacBook Pro. See it right there. Now I don't know what inch. Oh, let me look at the spec. Oh, this is the 15-inch. See, I was told by one of the, I think it was the online enrollment, or maybe it was one of the financial advisors, that it'll be the 13-inch, but thankfully it's another 15-inch. And if you'll look at the picture, you'll see that it's the one that has the touch bar. So it's the, I want to say it's the latest one. 16 gigabyte, 512 gigabyte. Never mind, cancel all that. 15.4 inch, 512 gigabyte. I don't know what color. I'm thinking it's the color that's on the box, which is like a silver or whatever. Yeah, I'm guessing it's the color that you see right there, which is like this silver color. But yeah, guys, that's what I got for the lunchbox from the graphic design degree at FullSail University. Oh, we got a few more things in the box. Well, right here you got the absolute home and office. The low jack is for the protection of the computer against theft or whatever. And then, of course, you still get your project Launchbox contents page, and you always check to make sure you got everything. So we got the MacBook Pro 15-inch, we got the Absolute Home and Office Premium, and then we got the Apple USB-C to USB adapter, which is this. And then we got the Belkin USB-C to Ethernet adapter, which is this. Also, in an email today, which is the day after the start of class, Tuesday, because class started Monday. But in an email today, they sent me full subscription to the Adobe Creative Suite. So, of course, you know, with this degree, you're going to do a lot of creating of logos and all type of different graphics. So, of course, you're going to need a program that will help you do those type of things. So, you got the Adobe Creative Suite today with the Launchbox. It's all part of the Launchbox. So, guys, just wanted to show y'all really quick what you guys will get if you are in the graphic design degree program at FullSail University, or if you're thinking about the graphic design degree program at FullSail University. These are the contents that you will get, my friend. So, if you are in between decisions, because at first I was thinking about doing LA Film School, because I know I had been to FullSail so many times, and I was like, you know, I'm just gonna do LA Film School, just something different. But I was like, why do that when I know about the portal at FullSail? I'm very familiar with logging in and doing, you know, my work on their portal. So I just stick with what I know. Call FullSail up. Hey, do y'all guys offer graphic design? Which I was pretty sure that they did anyway, because I know of a few people that went there. They was like, yeah. I was like, well, okay, I'm signing up. They was like, you coming back? I was like, yeah. But anyway, that's my little piece of story. These are my lunch boxes, and I hope you guys stay safe. God bless. Bye-bye.